You guys kept asking, so here's an updated hair tutorial. This is actually my sister's Dyson. I actually have the older version with the smaller barrel. Highly recommend the bigger barrel. It makes life easier. I like to do 3 sections of my hair. First layer, you're gonna curl away from your face. You can also do this with a normal hair curler. My favorite hair curler is from Hot Tools. The vibe we're going for is very voluminous Victoria's Secret curls. You'll see the vision when it's done. But anyways, you're gonna do your next section. This is the technique I like to do. I like to curl some pieces away from my face and then towards my face. This is gonna make your hair look like it has a lot of volume. So for any of my girls that have thin hair, try this technique out. And then last layer, do the same technique. I could totally rock short hair, guys. Look at this. Anyways, once you're done curling, you're gonna wanna brush your curls out, but not with a hairbrush, with your fingers. These fingers that God gave you. So you're gonna flip your head down, and then you're just going to use your fingers and brush those curls out. You want to just gently break the curls apart, but don't overdo it because then it will look frizzy. Then I like to finish off with some hair oil. This is my go-to hair oil. I don't even think I have changed my hair oil ever since. Like, I've been using this for years now. I like to apply at the ends first and then kind of just work my way up. And whatever I have left on my hands, I get those flyaways. And that's pretty much it. That's how I curl my hair. Let me know if you guys want me to show you how to curl it with a normal barrel because I'll happily do that.